In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text glow in Canva. This tutorial is perfect for anyone who wants to add a vibrant and dynamic effect to their text, making it truly stand out. With just a few simple steps, you can achieve a stunning neon glow effect that's sure to catch the eye. So let's dive right in. First off, once you've opened up your design project in Canva, you want to click directly on the text you'd like to work with. This lets Canva know exactly which element you're altering, and it's important to have your text selected so that all subsequent adjustments apply precisely where you intend. Now, with your text highlighted, look towards the top of your screen and you'll notice an option called Effects. Clicking on this opens up a variety of creative enhancements that Canva provides for your text. Among these, there's an option called Neon. Go ahead and click on that. Instantly, you'll see your text transform with a glowing aura, giving it that captivating neon look that's both modern and striking. Now, to further personalize this effect, you'll want to adjust the color of the glow. Simply click on the text color icon, conveniently located near the Effects option. This step is crucial because the default glow might not be the ideal hue for your particular project or design palette. Here, Canva allows you the flexibility to select any color from the palette or even enter your own color code if you have something specific in mind. This lets your text not only glow, but also harmonize beautifully with your overall design theme. Once you've selected your desired color, it's time to revisit the Effects panel. Clicking on it again enables you to make further modifications, specifically to the glow's intensity. You'll notice a slider appears once you click on Neon. Adjusting this slider will increase or decrease the vibrancy of the glow surrounding your text. If you're aiming for a bold, eye-catching statement, slide it towards the maximum. For a more subtle shimmer, bring it back a notch. By customizing both the color and the intensity, you gain full control over the aesthetic outcome, letting your artistic vision truly shine. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've mastered the technique of creating glowing text in Canva. Whether for a poster, a social media post, or any other visual content, this effect brings a trendy, eye-catching element to your creations. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel inspired to infuse your designs with a little extra glow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great design tips.